What the hell are you? No way, stay away from me, you stupid zombie. Go away from me, you ugly jerk. I think the zombie wanna eat me. I wanna run away from here. Hello, anyone is here, please help me. Oh my god, that zombies are every side. I think I need jump from this train. At last I find a human. Hey bro, are you okay?
Yes, my friend, I am fine.
Can you tell me what's going on here?
I don't know, but that stupid zombie's eating people and killing family.
My name is Steve, bro. What's your name?
My name is Jack. I am trying to find my wife and my little son.
Well, I can help you try to find your wife and son.
Thanks bro, let's go to find my family.
At last I find some food. I am so hungry. Come here bro, let's eat some food and drink some water.
Okay bro, but do it fast, I have no time for these things. My family needs me.
Alright bro.
My wife is a teacher, so we try to find my family in school.
Okay, you try to find your wife in teacher's room. I check in another classes.
Okay, let's go. Hello, anyone is here, please answer to me. Hello Anna, where are you? Hello Anna. Are you okay Anna? Are you listening to me? Are you okay Anna, please tell me. I don't know what's wrong with you. This stupid virus changed my wife into zombie. I feel bad and very sad. I am so confused and sad on this time. I am going to find my son. Hey Anna, I always miss you and love you forever. Take care, my love.
At last I find another human. Are you okay, miss?
Yes sir, I am fine, but who are you?
My name is Steve and I am here to find my friend's family. But what are you doing here and what's your name?
My name is Victoria and I am here to find my little daughter.
Okay, let's find your daughter.
No need, I don't trust on you. I am going to find my daughter, so stay away from me.
Okay, as your wish, take care, bye.
Yeah, goodbye.
That fool's everywhere. I don't know where's my son. I need to run away from here.
Hi bro, are you okay? Please go away from here, you ugly zombie. I am not a zombie bro, relaxed. Please leave me alone. I already lost my family. I don't wanna die. Can I help you bro? No need, just go away from here. Hey bro, could you find your son and your wife?
No my friend, I can't find my son, and the bad news, my wife already died and changed into that stupid zombie.
My friend, don't be sad, just stand up and be strong.
My heart broke already. I can't, just leave me alone.
Okay my friend, I am going to leave this place. This is not safe for me and you.
Good luck bro, I wanna die here with my wife. I don't know what I do now. Oh my god, anyone help me. Anyone please help me. Kill me.
At last I find a car. I am very sad, Jack. I can't save you and your family. I need to find a safe place for me. That zombies are everywhere. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and wait for part 2.
Bloody Mouth Part 1.